Angels, welcome back to my channel. This is msmonieLA. So wherever parts of the world you are in, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Right now I'm in Los Angeles, Southern California, and it is 2:34 p.m. So it's good afternoon, guys. So right now I'm heading to Playa Vista, hang out with some of my friends, and this is what I'm wearing. Some shorts and t-shirt. And underneath is a bikini, and look at my sunglasses. Isn't it so fab? Got my makeup done, it's on point. Oh, my nails. I didn't have time, but yeah, so far, so good. But anyways, yes, we're meeting up some friends, and when I say we, it's me and my editor, videographer. He doesn't want to be on camera. But there's a lot of my friends there, and I'm going to introduce you to everybody, and we're picking up some people, and they're going to be back here. And yeah, guys, so we're going to do some bonfire fun at Playa Vista. Angels, and here I am at Playa Vista with all my friends. Here's the bonfire. The bond without the fire for now. But yeah, weather, my favorite weather in the world, gloominess. And this is what I'm wearing, guys. Yes, nobody's really in their bikini. But yeah, it's not so hot, it's not so cold, everything is just great. And yes, look at it, it's so gloomy. I love it.
Hey guys, I am Rachel Saka. I am an actor and a model here in LA, but I'm originally from Michigan. I'm Cuban though, Lithuanian, Italian. I'm a nice mix. And yes, I'm here in the beautiful LA. We're having some fun today on the beach. You should be here.
Say what? Say no more.
Hi, my name is Mustafa and Mercy. I am from Egypt. I live in Los Angeles, and I am an actor. I do acting for a living.
Yes! Tell him your role, your next coming TV show, please. Because he was telling me, come on.
That's not a good idea.
Come
right
on, good idea, good idea.
YouTube. Oh, my show coming. I'm in a show coming out on Amazon Prime with Chris Pratt.
Hi, my name is Ngozi Kim. I moved here from Texas, and I just opened up a studio in North Hollywood, California, and I am a creative coach. I'm an actress. I write sketch comedy, so I'm a creative, and I make my living from creative things, all the creative things, and I love it.
Thank you.
And my family's from Nigeria. I'm the product of 2 Nigerian immigrants, and yeah, so I'm all about going after and creating the life you want. So yeah.
Thank you, babe. You're gorgeous.
Thank you.
All right. Hey, my name is Zanfer. I'm from Pakistan, and I'm a full-time professional actor.
Yes. Thank you. Zakron?
Zanfer.
Sanford.
Yeah. I hope I said it correctly.
How do you know? I don't know how to say it.
Zanfer.
Okay. I am Chelsea. I am from Columbus, Ohio. And by day, I am a nanny, and by night, a writer. So.
What do you write?
I'm working on a book right now about my life. I've had a very intense journey, and to get to LA, I feel like I'm just at 25 years old starting to find myself. So I'm writing a book about the chaos that it took to get here and where I'm at now.
All right, then on to you.
I didn't know you were writing. Should I go now?
Yes.
Okay, my name is Ronnie. I'm from Chicago, and I just graduated. I'm a registered nurse now. And then by night, I am a socialite.
Yeah, that's what we're doing today. And you, sir?
My name is Bruce. I'm from Pennsylvania. I'm a security guard right now for aerospace. I protect scientists because they study stuff in the sky.
Dang.
I was a student at New York Film Academy doing screenwriting, directing, that kind of stuff. But because of COVID, I had to take a break because I didn't have a laptop. And I said, all right, if I can't do schooling, I'm going to work. And if I can't tell stories, I'm going to live a story.
Hell yeah, you're living on EDD. I'm just kidding.
yeah.
Oh, by the way, have you seen any aliens?
When I was in the Navy, maybe.
Ooh.
That's another topic, though.
That's classified information.
I feel it. I could tell it, but I feel like we don't got that kind of time. So.
No, he's going to tell me on a different channel, on a different video.
So pretty, you look so pretty.
Thanks, thank you.
I was looking in the lens, I'm like, she looks good.
Aw, oh yeah.
Thank you, girls, guys.
Hi, my name's Zoe, and I am from England and parts of Puerto Rico and West Africa, and I actually make music. So I make electronic, whether it's dubstep or house, EDM, all of that genre. So.
My name is Julian. I'm from Mexico, and I do what I do.
Dang it!
Guys, it is almost 8 o'clock p.m. And as you can see, it is still bright. Woo! Look, guys, there's the drone. That's my drone. Hold on. Woo! There's my drone, guys.
Hello guys, how are you? My name is Natasha, I'm from Brazil. I live in here in LA. I work in the bikini store.
Yeah, thank you, beautiful. Woo! This is what she's wearing. Cheers.
Cheers!
Sorry. And go.
Yo, my name is Toye Aru. I'm from Nigeria and I am a cinematographer.
Cinematographer, what school you're in?
I am currently in New York Film Academy.
Awesome, thank you. Go.
Subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff.
Yes, thank you so much.
No,
what do you do for a living?
Really.
Shit, he works for me. My editor.
No, all we had to do, no, don't do it. All we had to do is spread it.
Spread it.
Look at the heat now. Zoe, I don't know if you know this, but all the black heat is going like
Okay. Zoe, come over here. Zoe, come over here.
Where?
Over here, over here.
Alright.
Oh, you started fire. You got it going, brother?
Yes.
You gotta pose.
Woo, woo. Pose, pose, pose. Quack, quack.
Yes, you are.
Yes. Okay,
So I say my
and
name?
your name, where are you from, and what do you do? Okay, and now go.
Hello. My name is Chris. I'm from LA and I'm an actor.
Yeah!
My family is from Latin America. My mom is from Mexico and my dad is from El Salvador.
Oh, thank you!
Hi, my name is Gabriela. I'm from Puerto Rico and I'm currently studying acting for film in the New York Film Academy.
Yeah! Woo! Congratulations, babe!
Hey, my name is Ashley. I am from Redondo Beach and I am a leukemia warrior. Yes! And this is my dog, Boogie. Say hi, Boogie.
Boogie!
Boogie Man. Say hey, Boogie Man.
Oh my God, he's gorgeous.
Hi, hey girl, hey. I'm Tanya, born and raised in LA, so I'm an LA baby. And I am a school counselor, and my goal is to build better humans for our society.
Oh my gosh, she is gorgeous.
Hi, my name is Katie. I go by Kyrie, and I'm from LA originally, but I've been traveling the world for about 15 years. My passion is definitely travel. I love to spin Fireboy. I love sailing and surfing and anything circus.
Yes, you were like fabulous, girl. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yes, your performance is like outrageous.
Oh, thank you.
Alright, angels, I am back home now, and my friends are in the living room just chilling with the kitties. And yeah, so I want to close out my video and thank all my friends for joining me on my journey on my channel. And yeah, that's all my friends. Well, partial. There's a lot more to go, but yeah, I just want to like thank everybody for being on my show, and also thank you for everybody for watching. I'm gonna close out. I'm gonna take a nap after everybody is gone. But yeah, we're still chillaxing, and yeah, so I hope everybody's having a great night, a great evening, a great day, a great morning, and I hope you guys are enjoying this show. And if you have any comments, whatever it is, go ahead and comment down below, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.